I'm Lee from Bilby 3D. We specialise in 3D printers for education and business. We've been around for 6 years. Probably our most popular machine at the moment is the Inventor 2 for the classroom. It's incredibly popular because it's very robust, and for a very cheap upgrade you can actually even print metal filaments, which is quite exciting. For me, the most exciting part about 3D printing is the material development, because it changes what we can actually make with these 3D printers. So when I started out a long time ago, we could only print with ABS, which is really hard to print with and it has high fumes. And now we have PLA, we have PETG, nylon, flexible materials that are like rubber. We can even print with metals like aluminium, copper, brass, bronze, and one of the newest materials that have come out is matte fiber, which I'm really excited about because you can sand it and it'll come up looking like marble, which is really nice, or you can get a rough texture, so it's really great for architectural models. So one of the newest machines that we've launched is the Raise 3D. It's an incredible machine. It actually prints down to 10 microns. To put that in perspective, most 3D printers will do down to 100 microns, so it's a tenth of the layer height. That means every layer is 0.1 of a millimeter thick. Very, very thin. This has allowed people to print very fine detail pieces, but the other thing about the Raise is it's got a really big build area, so you can print up to 60 centimeters tall, and it's got a 30 by 30 centimeter build plate, so schools are putting a whole classroom worth of projects on one build plate, which is very, very exciting and makes production time faster and a lot less work for the teachers. If you want to know more about us or our printers, go to bilby3d.com.au or give us a call. Free call phone number 1-800-847-333. We also have showrooms in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane where you can come see everything, and we also run a service centre out of all those locations as well.